Installation is a breeze. Simply unscrew the aerator from any tap and screw on the 250B inlet hose. Now for filtered water, turn the tap to the vertical position. For plain unfiltered water, bypassing the filter, return it to the horizontal position. The kit comes with options to attach to both male and female threaded taps and can also be attached to unthreaded taps. For an average family of 4 drinking the recommended 8 glasses of water per day, it's recommended to change the PP filter every 6 months and the carbon and biological filters once a year. The filters are easily removed by rotating them counterclockwise until you feel 5 clicks. Then lift the filter out. Installing the new filter is a reversal of the same procedure. Be aware that water will come out of the old filters, so it's a good idea to first put the whole unit into the sink when changing filters over. And that's the Ezec Easy Aqua 250B benchtop water purifier.